Hi guys, it's me Wolf Gamer. So today I'm gonna make a car sound out of a metal can. So let's get started. Let me just put it over here. 3, 2, 1, go. So rate it out in the comments, like rate this out of a scale of 10. Like I think it's like a 8 out of 10 because it does not sound like a F1 car. So they say it sounds like F1, but it's not actually. Bye.